Welcome, travelers! Today, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of the India eVisa expiration dates to ensure a stress-free journey and how to navigate them effectively. In this video presented by Natvisa.com, we're going to talk about common issues that can leave you frustrated when trying to understand India's eVisa expiration date issues. Today, we'll cover the following dates on the India eVisa: date of issuance, date of expiration, last date of stay in India, last day of stay with the 30-day eVisa, last day of stay with the 1-year eVisa, last day of stay with the 5-year eVisa, overstaying in India, and contact Natvisa for support. Alright, let's get started. When you apply for a tourist eVisa to India, there are 3 important dates you need to be aware of. Firstly, there is a date of issuance to which you must pay attention. This is the date when the Indian Immigration Authority issued your eVisa. It's important because it marks the beginning of your visa validity period. Secondly, there is a date of expiration for the India eVisa. This is the last date by which you must enter India. After this date, your electronic visa will no longer be valid, and you won't be allowed to enter the country. Last but not least, don't forget to note the last day of your stay in India. While this date isn't explicitly mentioned on your eVisa, it's the last day you can stay in India. It depends on your eVisa type and the date you enter India. Still confused? Let's break it down some more. If you've applied for a 30-day tourist eVisa, it's crucial to remember that you must enter India before the date of expiry of ETA mentioned on your visa. Don't worry, this doesn't mean you have to leave India on or before that date. Your 30-day stay in India begins from the date you enter the country, not the date of issue. For instance, if you enter India on January 15th, you can stay until February 14th, even though your visa expires on February 1st. In other words, the last day you can stay in India is 30 days from the date you enter India. What if you're leaving for India next week, but your 30-day eVisa expires the day before you arrive? In this case, reapplying for a new visa is your best option. For expedited eVisa processing, try Natvisa Expedited Services and get your eVisa quickly. Now, let's talk about calculating the last day of stay with other visa types. Now, on the other hand, if you are applying for a 1-year business eVisa, a 1-year tourist eVisa, or a 5-year tourist eVisa, the last day of stay in India is the same as the expiration date. This means you cannot stay beyond the date mentioned on your eVisa. The 5-year eVisa has the same conditions. You can stay in India until the expiration date listed in the eVisa. Now, a word of caution. Overstaying your India eVisa can result in fines and even imprisonment, so it is important to understand the difference between expiration date and last day of stay in India. Still confused? No need to worry. Contact our support team for further clarification regarding the India eVisa expiration date. You will find a link to our contact form in the description box below. Looking for assistance in getting the India eVisa? Let Natvisa help you. With over 10,000 positive reviews, Natvisa can be your trusted partner for a stress-free India eVisa experience. Alright, that wraps up the India eVisa date of expiration issues. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Happy travels!